Hi everyone, we are so excited to let you know that the Regent Pavilion is now up and available for rental requests. You're going to be able to do this through the Viridian Life app and on the web version. So if you pull up viridianlife.com, at the top of the page, you're going to see amenities. Go ahead and click that. If you are on the app, you're going to click on the menu button and go down to amenities. Once you're there, you're going to see Regent Pavilion. Go ahead and click on that. Towards the bottom of the page, you're going to see Request Reservation. Now on the web version, the calendar will immediately come up. All of the information regarding the rental is going to be listed there at the top. This rental is $180 an hour with a 2-hour minimum. Now, putting in this request for a reservation is a request only. It does not guarantee that you have the reservation. Beginning in August, on Fridays and Saturdays, the Regent Pavilion will be available. So let's go ahead and click on August 20th and go down and click on Manage Reservations. Once you're there, you're going to see the estimated hours for this rental. Now, if you do have an hour increment that is not listed there, that is okay. We will confirm that with you when we finalize the booking. Again, this is just to request the rental, so the lifestyle team will reach out to confirm your booking and proceed with how to do the payment. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email the Director of Fun.